Hey yo web travelers, these promo packs are special. And why is that, you may ask? Well, that's because you can get them only from one seller on the whole Aliexpress. So we're gonna open this up, and basically this seller has its own line of a promo pack, which you obviously can get from the other sellers. That's really interesting to me, and we're gonna check it out. Okay, I think that would be the back side, because it doesn't look shiny at all. So let's flip it, and what do we have here? Yeah, it was the back side. So okay, I have, by the way, 25 packs, so I believe we can see all of them, and it looks actually really awesome. Like, it's the same technique that Got a Story is using, so those look really amazing. I don't know how to say it. It is so awesome that like the seller on AliExpress has its own something that you can get, by the way, for free if you use a node tcgcomrade while you order a booster box from this seller. The links will be in the video description. Rather you want to get hands on some booster box and a promo pack free, or you're interested in those promo packs. The next one is Sakura. Oh, that's some winter vibes. I don't know how I feel about this art. I think there are better arts of Sakura, let's put it that way. And now we get to another pack. Okay, number 12, Nakuna Azutsa. Get ears, guitar, and oh yeah, I can. I flipped it, like, because Got a Story has some info on the back, but this is all info you get, and maybe this is all info you need. Well, those look freaking amazing, but I don't know about the backside. But whatever, I mean, the backside is definitely not important. The most important thing is that you can only get from one seller. Like, this feels like a kind of some of an exclusive thing, and I don't know for how long this seller will be printing those, so maybe the ones that are sold are the ones that are on the market. So my god! So that would mean that there will be some value to them. Kitagawa Marine. Oh my god, look at this babe. Just freaking amazing. Oh, I don't know how, but I always pull the backside. That's interesting, because now, you know, some intrigue happening right there. We won't be getting all of them. That's the conclusion that I have. But it doesn't matter. I hope at least we get most of them, because that would be fine. Okay, please don't be double, because that would be a really, really sad. Boy, the best waifus are here. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, freaking Kitagawa and Tendiro 2. Oh my god, MSR, let's go. Look, that's the fine choice of art. This is definitely better than this, even if you couldn't see the ass, right? But I like the team, so whatever. It is what it is. Let's see. It's always the back side of a card. I like it very much. Then it's K-Queen. Queen. I don't know where she is from, but it is a bikini card, and the bikini cards are always good. And another one. Is this a Genshin Impact? I don't know. The character is familiar, so I think it would be a Genshin Impact, yes. Yes, very good, very nice. It is a bikini card, yet again, it is good. But the most important question for me is, do you like Jet? Is there a Rin Tosuka card in here? Oh my god! Oh, the best waifus are coming right up. This one is hella sexy, goddamn. Man, Kaguya, if you put that on your man in the first freaking season, he couldn't resist, I'll tell you. He'll confess right away. Oh my god, they're getting better and better. God damn, look. Whew. That's Data Life, I believe. I tried to watch it long ago, and I can't remember shit about it, like, really. I don't even know if I seen more than 2 episodes. And okay, that's karma, I guess. I should have seen more. And okay, that's a good double to get, but whatever. Please don't be double. Oh, we will never know. And that is not a double, it's a Worthless Go Aqua, but in the bikini, so it makes great. Also, those are maybe it's a little bigger than expected, but I mean, she's a goddess of water, so she can do that apparently. I don't know how it works. Don't quote me on that, please. What do we have? Hatsune Miku. This is quality. Look at that. This guy, I mean the seller, pulls one of the best cards on the market, just a promo line of its own. While there are like boxes that try to mimic the story, that have like crappy quality or just little less to hits that don't shine even closely to that. It's incredible actually. But oh my god, yes! Look at that! Oh my god, it's so freaking amazing, goddamn. We have a few to go, by the way, so oh yeah, boys! Look what we've got for you, all the normies. That's a RAM card, and I mean, the detail on this is just incredible. I don't have enough space for all the waifus. What do we have here? Come on, man. It couldn't get even better power. Look at that. Look at this art. It's freaking amazing. God damn. Are you watching the thing, how it's called? Chainsaw Man? I've seen a few episodes and it's freaking lit. What the fuck is this? I was praising that this promo pack line was amazing, and then we have Uta. If I am looking at the back, it looks like One Piece character, but I don't know if it is. And compared to the others, I would even rather have Sakura. So that's the lamest one in my opinion so far. Maybe the tables will turn. Yeah, they just did. I pulled Aqua again. God damn it, there's a little more doubles than I would like to, but not all hope is gone. Now it is, by the way, because that's again another double. Maybe not a double. It is a double because it's power. Okay, whatever. We have 3 packs left, so let's see if we can pull something new. We did, and I don't know what that is, but it looks hella awesome. So pass. I mean smash. I did it wrong. Fuck you, stupid. Okay, last one. Okay, it's a double again. So let me count really quick. I believe there's 25 cards and I've pulled 16 of them. So there are a few we haven't seen. It is what it is. Those are awesome. You know how to get them. Go to the video description. And thank you for watching. If you want to support the channel, you'll be a freaking legend. Subscribe, comment or like the video. And I see you in another one, Web Travelers.